Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the world of AI. We're talking about AI that can recognize your face, understand your voice, and even predict what you want to do next. Your phone is already doing some pretty crazy stuff with AI, right? Face unlock, voice assistance, those are all powered by artificial intelligence. But what if I told you that you could bring that same AI power to any gadget? That's what we're going to explore today. We're going to break down the basics of AI-powered gadgets, and I'm going to show you how you can build your own using a tool called TensorFlow Lite. Let's get started. Alright, before we jump into building anything, let's define what we mean by AI-powered gadgets. Basically, these are devices that use artificial intelligence to do things that normally require human intelligence. Think about a smart speaker. It can understand your voice commands, process them, and give you a relevant response. Or your phone's camera, which can automatically adjust settings based on the scene it's looking at. These gadgets are becoming more and more common because they offer a ton of benefits. They can automate tasks, personalize your experience, and even make your devices easier to use. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds cool, but I'm not a software engineer. And you know what? You're right. You don't need to be a coding genius to get started with AI. That's where TensorFlow Lite comes in. TensorFlow Lite is a powerful tool that makes it easy to run AI models on small, low-power devices like the Raspberry Pi. You can use it for a wide range of AI tasks, from image recognition and object detection to natural language processing and even gesture control. And with its growing library of pre-trained models, you don't even need to train your own AI from scratch. There are tons of resources available online, including tutorials, documentation, and even pre-built projects that you can use as a starting point. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and start building our own AI-powered gadget. For this project, we're going to create a simple object recognition system using a Raspberry Pi and a camera module. First things first, you'll need a Raspberry Pi. It's a tiny computer that's perfect for this kind of project because it's affordable, powerful enough, and has a ton of community support. Next, you'll need a camera module that's compatible with your Raspberry Pi. This will be the eyes of our AI gadget. Make sure you get the right type of camera and the necessary cables to connect it to the Pi. Finally, you'll need some basic peripherals like a monitor, keyboard, and mouse to set up your Raspberry Pi. Once you have all your hardware, it's time to put it all together. Just follow the instructions that came with your camera module to connect it, and you'll be good to go. Get this undone. Section 5. Breathing life into your gadget, the coding journey. Now comes the fun part. Coding our AI model. We're going to use Python, a beginner-friendly programming language, and TensorFlow Lite to make this happen. First, you'll need to install the necessary software on your Raspberry Pi. This includes the TensorFlow Lite runtime, Python, and a few other libraries. There are plenty of tutorials online that guide you through this process step by step. Next, we need to load our pre-trained AI model. For this project, we'll use a model that's been trained to recognize everyday objects. You can download this model from the TensorFlow website. Think of this model as the brain of our AI gadget. Now for the code itself. We'll write a simple Python script that captures an image from the camera, feeds it to our AI model, and then displays the results on the screen. The code will look something like this. Python, nambada, import necessary libraries. Import TensorFlow as TF, import CV2. If CV2 dot. Wait key 1 and 0xFF equals or DQ. Break. This code might seem like a lot, but it's actually pretty straightforward. We're simply loading the AI model, capturing an image from the camera, feeding the image to the model, and then displaying the results. Easy peasy, right? Section 6. Show and tell your gadget in action. Alright, the moment of truth. With our hardware assembled and our code up and running, it's time to see our AI gadget in action. Connect your Raspberry Pi to a monitor run the Python script, and point the camera at an object. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the name of the object displayed on the screen. Try it with different objects around your house: a book, a phone, a banana, whatever you have handy. You've just built your very own AI-powered object recognition system. Section 7. The future is smarter, unleashing the potential of AI. As we've seen, bringing AI to our everyday gadgets isn't some far-off futuristic dream. With tools like TensorFlow Lite and platforms like the Raspberry Pi, the power to create AI-powered gadgets is literally at our fingertips. As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities for creating smarter, more intuitive, and more helpful gadgets are limitless. Imagine a world where your refrigerator can order groceries for you, your car can drive itself, and your home can anticipate your every need. The future of AI is bright, and it's up to us, the tinkerers, the makers, the tech enthusiasts, to shape that future. Section 8. Beyond the basics. Taking your AI skills further. So you've built your first AI gadget, you've caught the AI bug, and you're ready for more? Awesome! There's a whole universe of possibilities out there waiting to be explored. So where do you go from here? First, don't be afraid to dive deeper into TensorFlow Lite. There's so much more you can do with this powerful tool. Explore different pre-trained models, experiment with different datasets, and even try training your own AI models from scratch. Second, get involved with the maker community. There are tons of online forums, groups, and communities dedicated to AI and DIY electronics. Share your projects, get inspired by others, and collaborate on new ideas. That's it from me, MKBHD signing out. Now go out there and build something awesome. Peace. Now go.